नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ JVN डॉक्टर हेमंत व्यास, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session, we are going to discuss about homeopathic medicines for kidney stones. So let's begin. Our topmost and the best medicine for the kidney stone is Berberis vulgaris. Berberis vulgaris is one of the top listed homeopathic medicine for kidney stones which are formed on the left side. A unique symptom guiding use of Berberis vulgaris is pain in left kidney that radiate down the ureter and into the urinary bladder. The pain can be shooting, stitching, cutting or stinging in nature. The pain may worse from motion or jarring movement. Urine may be yellow and may contain slimy sediments. The kidney region is also sensitive to touch. Then the next most important medicine is Lycopodium clavatum, and many research has been done on Lycopodium and its utility in kidney stones by CCRH and other bodies. So Lycopodium clavatum is an excellent choice of homeopathic medicine for treating kidney stones of right side or when the symptoms travel from right to the left. The person needing Lycopodium clavatum has pain in the right kidney or right ureter. The pain worsens before urination. Urine is scanty. The kidney pain subsides after passing urine. There is red sediment in the urine. In some cases, urine may be purulent or turbid or pale. Next medicine of choice is Hydrangea arborescens. It is a wonderful homeopathic medicine for kidney stone with white or yellow sand in urine. Homeopathic medicine Hydrangea is popularly known as the stone breaker medicine. Hydrangea is used to crush kidney stones, stones in ureter as well as bladder. A significant symptom to look out for is white deposit or yellow sand in urine. If one notices white or yellow sand deposits, then Hydrangea is the sure shot cure. Soreness in kidney region may also be felt in such cases. In some cases, blood may appear in urine. The next medicine of choice, Cantharis vesicatoria. Cantharis is generally used when the symptoms of renal stone are accompanied with cystitis. So Cantharis is of great help in kidney stone where there is intense burning in passing urine. The burning may also be present before urine is passed and may continue after urination. Another attending feature is kidney pain with frequent urge to pass urine. Tenesmus of bladder may also be marked where the urge to pass urine is almost constant. Together with unsatisfactory urination, urine may contain jelly-like mucus. Sarsaparilla officinalis. It is the medicine for kidney stone with burning at close of urination. So in cases of kidney stone with excessive burning at the close of urination, Sarsaparilla officinalis is the homeopathic medicine that we can count on. Urine passed is scanty. Urine may contain slimy or sandy particles. Sarsaparilla is also prescribed for right-sided kidney stones. उसके बाद में दो इम्पॉर्टेंट मेडिसिन है, ऑसिमम कैन एंड टैबैकम. दोनों ही तब यूज़ होते हैं जब नौशिया वोमिटिंग ये किडनी स्टोन के साथ में हमको अकम्पनीड सिम्टम मिलेगा. So homeopathic medicine Osimum can also shows remarkable result in kidney stone of the right side with nausea or vomiting. Other feature to look out for before prescribing Osimum can are red saffron colored urine, bladder tenesmus, bladder burning on urinating and restlessness. अब देखते हैं टैबैकम कब यूज करते हैं. होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन फॉर किडनी स्टोन व्हेन पेन इज अटेंडेड विथ नॉसिया एंड वोमिटिंग. So tabacum is indicated for left-sided kidney stones with nausea and vomiting. जबकि ऑसिमम कैन हमने देखा था कि राइट साइडेड किडनी स्टोन विथ नौशिया वोमिटिंग होगा तब हम यूज करते हैं. Some accompanying symptoms that will decide on tabacum as the best homeopathic medicine are sensitive renal region, yellow red urine and cold sweat. इसके बाद परेरा ब्रावा. इस मेडिसिन में भी काफ़ी सारे यूनिक सिम्टम्स हैं जो कि किडनी स्टोन से रिलेटेड है. Pereira brava is a valuable homeopathic medicine for kidney stone, especially in cases where pain from the kidney radiates down the thigh. In some cases, the pain may radiate down to the feet from the kidney region. There is also a constant urge to urinate. Urine is passed with marked pain. In men, pain may also be felt in glans penis while urinating, and red sand or stingy mucus may be observed in the urine. So this is the therapeutic indications. Beside this, there are so many homeopathic medicines like belladonna, nux vomica, aconite. These medicines, phosphorus, ipecac, these medicines are also useful, but in this session we have discussed about most prominent medicines only. Okay, that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.